little guy. Thirsty? Here you go. Nice and cold. Whoa, hey, are you kidding me? Unbelievable.
Sergeant Miles, U.S. Army. Got some papers for you.
Papers for what?
Notice of induction. It's your draft order. Need you to sign here.
Get off my porch. I made him one.
Man, we don't want this to be harder than it has.
Mom, open the door. Please let me in. Mom, I'm trying. Hurry. It's right. Oh, God. No.